Chef Mom Rosebud. Welcome to my kitchen! For today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you a recipe na I'm sure ay favorite ng karamihan sa atin. Today, I'll be sharing with you my take on spaghetti bolognese. Let's start cooking! Okay, let's start! First of all, of course, kailangan natin painitin ang ating sauté pan, of course, with some oil. So, meron tayo ditong onion. Once it's soft and translucent already, we could now add in our garlic. So, just saute this until it becomes golden brown. Of course, we don't want to burn our garlic because it will become bitter. Okay, once you can smell the aroma already, pwede na natin ngayong idagdag ang ating ground beef. So I'm using ground beef for our bolognese. Pero yung mga iba, they actually mix their ground pork and ground beef. So it really depends on you. So let's just cook this on low heat. So kasi habang ako ay nagluluto ng ating bolognese, piniinit ko na rin yung water for our pasta. We could add in some pepper and our salt. May trivia nga pala ako sa inyo mga ka-chefs. Alam niyo ba na ang bolognese ay galing sa Italy? I'm sure most of you know that. Pero ang tawag sa kanya sa Italy, if you go there, it's not called bolognese. They call it tagliatelle ragu. Ragu ang tawag nila doon. Bakit naging bolognese? Well, according to my research, during World War II, may mga American soldiers who ate in Italy. Tapos, natikman nila tong dish na to, and when they went home to America, they wanted to recreate it, but they couldn't remember the name. Ang natatandaan na lang nila ay kinain nila to sa Bologna, Italy. Hence, kaya siya naging spaghetti bolognese. Pero tawag talaga sa kanya sa Italy is tagliatelle ragu. Tapos hindi sila gumagamit ng spaghetti, yung nga ginagamit nila ay tagliatelle. So when you're cooking ground beef, always good or always best that you cook it on low heat kasi pagka halimbawa high heat nag-shrink yung ating meat and we don't want that. We want to cook it but we don't want to shrink it. There you go. So cook na yung ating beef. Nakita nyo nag-brown na siya. And then we add in our flavorings. We're gonna use tomato paste. Yum. Okay, so let's just mix it in. Ang bolognese actually, you cook it for more than 1 hour. Parang you cook it long para talagang lumabas yung flavor niya. Some people cook it for an hour, yung iba naman, if they have the luxury of time, they cook it on low heat for mga 3 hours para talagang lumasang mabuti yung ating bolognese sauce. So let's just mix it, our tomato paste together with our meat. And then we add in our tomato sauce. Okay. Actually, this is a favorite of my family, lalo na ng asawa ko, na si Mike at si Kaden. Favorite talaga nila to. Every time we go out, lagi silang order ng spaghetti bolognese. So, kung meron diyang mga mahilig dito sa recipe na to, you can make it in the comfort of your own home, para sa inyong mga pamilya, diba? Anytime. So, there you go. This is low heat. Like what I mentioned earlier, people cook this for a long period of time, like minsan 1 hour to 3 hours. So, what they do is just they cook it on low heat, tapos, pag nakulangan ng water, they just keep on adding water. Ganun ang kanilang ginagawa. Okay. And then we add in, okay, meron din tayo ditong sugar. So, let's add our sugar, brown sugar. Of course, we add in some salt. Meron din ako ditong beef cubes. So let's just put that there. There you go. So let's just mix everything in. Of course, we would want the beef cubes to melt. And then we add in a bit of water. The water is here really, kasi nga if you're gonna be cooking it, tapos you're gonna let it boil and then simmer, baka maubusan kayo ng sauce. So ideally, like what I said, you cook this for at least an hour para talagang lumasa yung ating meat sauce. At alam niyo ba na ang bolognese, actually, it also tastes better the day after, parang ang ating adobo. So try niyo yan. Magtira kayo ng konting bolognese sauce, tapos lutuin nyo, initin nyo and eat it the next day. Malalasahan nyo na mas flavorful siya. Okay, so this is actually good already. Lilipat ko na ngayon yung ating water with boiling, ating pot with boiling water here. So I will be making our spaghetti habang ang ating sauce ay nagsisimmer. Hayaan lang natin siya dyan. Relax lang muna siya dyan. Lagyan natin ng salt ang ating water. Of course, we want na pag nagluluto tayo ng pasta na talagang maraming asin kasi yung pasta water will add flavor to our pasta. Okay, now we get our spaghetti. No, spaghetti. So we'll just let this cook for around, it really depends on the pasta that you're using, but I'll be cooking this for around 5 to 6 minutes because I want it to be al dente pa. Okay, so while our pasta is cooking, dun sa ating bolognese sauce, let's add some cumin powder. Nako, marami ang magtataka. Bakit may cumin powder pang idadagdag? Nako, kailangan talaga i-try itong recipe na sa bahay nyo para malaman nyo what will the cumin powder do. But it will really add flavor and spice to your bolognese sauce. So, just let that boil and simmer here. Actually, hindi na siya nag-boil. I'm just letting it simmer. At malapit na rin yung ating pasta. So, once this is ready, after 5 to 6 minutes, I will just drain this. Tapos I'll set it aside. Okay, so our bolognese sauce has been cooking for an hour already. What I'm gonna do now is, syempre, lilipat ko na muna siya dito sa ating isa pang saute pan. Para pwede na tayong mag-plate because this is good to go already. The reason why I'm doing this is because dito sa ating maliit na saute pan, isasama ko na yung ating spaghetti noodles because bolognese is always best, or bolognese pasta is always best na, okay, ihahalo na natin yung ating noodles with the sauce. So let's just mix it, low heat na lang. Init lang na yung ating sauce. Ayan! Looks so good. So anytime that your family craves for spaghetti bolognese, pwede nyo gawin yan sa inyong mga bahay, mga ka-chefis. Perfect na. Perfect. So I'm gonna plate this and I'll show it to you, mga ka-chefis, in a while. Ito na mga ka-chefis, my take on spaghetti bolognese. I hope that you enjoyed watching today's recipe vlog at sana naman ay matry nyo rin ito para sa inyong mga pamilya. And if you like this episode, please don't forget to click the like button at kung hindi pa kayo nagso-subscribe and you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you mga ka-chefis! I'll see you again next time! Ayan. Mag-comment na rin kayo kung anong gusto nyo pang recipe ang makita nyo next time, okay? So, syempre, hindi matatapos ang aking vlog nang hindi ko ito tinitinan. Oh, look at that. Hindi na kailangan mag-order sa restaurant. Pwede nyo doon sa bahay. Ayun.